Hello everyone, my name is Lien. I'm the Vice President of National University of Kaohsiung. I'm taking this video for 2020 International Conference on Sustainable Development Goals. The reason that I'm taking this video is because I cannot attend the conference. The reason I think is quite obviously because the COVID-19 outbreak. So I make a very tough decision to cancel this trip. I feel disappointed about this, but I'm also glad that I have this opportunity to use the video and share every one of you to know what we are doing in our university, National University of Kaohsiung in Taiwan. The title of my presentation is the use of SDG as an indicators to revisit the overall course structure in a comprehensive university. We use our university as a case study. And this is the outline of my presentation. First, I would like to introduce my university, which is the National University of Kaohsiung. And then I would like to talk a little bit more about the policy that we applied to our university. We call that is the SDG Insight Policy. The second part of my talk is the results and discuss, which I'm going to show you how we are doing the SDG cross inventory and use that data to use that data to understand the curriculum structure of our university. Finally, is the conclusion. And this is the background of National University of Kaohsiung. As you can see here, we are a middle-sized university. We have around 250 faculties and 5,500 students. The university is a relatively new university. Actually, it is the latest university, national university established in Taiwan in year 2000. And we have the 5 colleges and 23 major departments in our university. So it is a comprehensive university plus 1 general education center. And because the university was established in year 2000, so when the university was established, we already adopted the concept of sustainability into our university development plan. So here I'm going to tell you our policy or our philosophy. We call the Green University 1.0, and then how we transfer to the Green University 2.0, and that's the kind of roadmap on our university developments. These slides want to tell you what we did in the first stage of Green University 1.0. Our university is the first university in Taiwan to sign the Taiwan Declaration in 2004. At that period, we spent our efforts on the infrastructure. For example, we built the building, so-called green building, and we installed the solar panel energy on the top of the roof, and also recycle the water, for example. And in 2017, our president decided to move forward from Green University 1.0 to Green University 2.0. The transformation of this is we apply the SDGs Insight Policy into our university, including 4 aspects, as you can see here: the organization, environment, research, education, and the external practice. Through the efforts that we did, and we also received the recognition from locally to the globally. For example, we has been received the THE University Impact Ranking, as you can see here. Now, I'm going to focus on what we did, and I'm going to focus on the topics that I'm going to talk here. 2 things. The first thing is the SDG Related Research at NUK and also SDG Related Curriculums at NUK. But I will basically focus on the curriculum for the presentation. This is the SDG Related Research at NUK in 2018. We used the keyword research to collect the data that related to the SDG. As you can see here, from the peer-reviewed journal article to the thesis of graduation programs, and that's the results that we have. For the SDG-related curriculum, the things that we did was we already have established an online syllabus system so that all the faculties has to upload our courses syllabus through this system. And this system has been established since 2006. And this is a very good infrastructure that we can adopt new modules into this system. So in 2018, we further embedded a SDG Attributed Inventory module into this system. And the SDG inventory module, the idea, the concept is based on the curriculum framework for the SDG published by the Commonwealth Secretaries, as you can see in the slides. And we apply the materials from this guideline into our inventory system. And this is how it looks like. It is the online syllabus system in Chinese. And here, basically, just let you know that you can use this system to search for the faculty name or the department's name or the year of the academic years and so on. So you can use this online system to search every courses, the syllabus of every courses. And this is the SDG Attributed Inventory results. And for example, here, this is the course the course name of this is the water supply engineering. And for this specific course, you can see 2 SDG goals has been selected. One is the SDG 6, we call the clean water and sanitation, and also the SDG 9. And that is the examples to let you know. Oh, by the way, they are all in Chinese. I'm sorry about that. And this is the things that I would like to let you know what the system looks like. And then here I'm going to tell you how we did the data collection. The data we collected since from fall semester of 2018 to spring semester of 2019, and the number of the courses offered in each semester is in the range around 2000s to 1500s. And the results that we collect from the SDG Attributed Inventory is that we found that the courses identified to be related to the SDG attributes in each semester is about 55%. And that is the very encouraging results that we received from all the faculties in our university. And now that's the results. For the first slides I'm going to show you is the results for the university level. And I used the numbers that you can see here is for the specific academic semester, which is in the fall semester in 2018. A total of 1345 courses was uploaded in the system, and 733 courses was indicated to connect with SDGs. And from this inventory, we found that SDG 4, 8, and 9 was prioritized as the most relevant ones, which is reasonable because our university is a comprehensive university. So the faculties, they know or they realize the relation, the link between their course and the SDG is in these 3 specific area. And another thing that I would like to emphasize here is you can see the radar chart. This data shows you all the data that we collect from 3 semesters. And you can see the pattern is quite similar for these 3 semesters. And I think this means something for our university when we want to apply these results to better improve our curriculum structure. This is kind of a good insights that we think we can use it. We can use this. And the second things that I'm going to talk is from the college level. And because we have 5 colleges and 1 general education center, so we can see the table on the right-hand side. On my right-hand side, we collect the data from all of these colleges and the general education center. And here you can see, for example, for the general education center, the first relevant SDG is SDG 4. The second relevant SDG is SDG 5. The third is SDG 3. So for each different colleges, we can summarize as in this table. These results actually give us a very good idea about how we can cooperate inter-college. In other words, for example, here you can see the blue colors in this table and the yellow colors in this table. The blue colors indicated the SDG 8 is the most relevant SDG for the Department of Humanities and for the colleges of Humanities and the Social Science, College of Law, College of Management, and the College of Science and Engineering. In other words, from these results, we know that there are many faculties in different colleges. They may study or they may teach in the field that related to the SDG, but different material, different professional. But if we can gather them together and to develop a new program that using all these faculties together, then it can make something different for our university. And this is the third result that I'm going to show to everyone, which is from the department level. And for this one, you can see, again, it's a table. You can see the attributes for different SDG and also the first most relevant departments and the second most relevant department according to our inventory. And I would like to give you examples here. For example, SDG 6, the first most relevant department here you can see is the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, which means in this department they offer 38 courses. Among these 38 courses, 12 courses are related to the SDG 6, which is reasonable because SDG 6 is talk about the clean water and the sanitary, which is directly related to the environmental engineering. Same idea for the SDG 14 and the SDG 15. These two SDG are direct related to the life science, and that is why they are the first most relevant departments in our university. Because I am a professor in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, so I know that if we want to reform our university, if we want to reform our curriculum, the question I would like to ask myself is how we can transfer our departments from environmental and the civil engineering department to the sustainable engineering. If that is the case, then what is the key topics that we are insufficient? For example, SDG 7 must be a very important topic in the sustainable engineering, and which is the things that we don't have. And so we realize that in the department level, for certain SDGs, their attributes are clearly aligned with the specific department in our university. I think this observation can apply to most of the university. And finally, I would like to give the conclusion here. The first one I would like to say is the SDG courses inventory offers academic administration a very useful information to better understand the internal cooperation opportunity in the university. The second thing I would like to say is that SDG can serve as a platform to develop innovative and interdisciplinary program through the cooperation of various colleges where their faculties may engage same SDG with different approaches. The third thing that I would like to share to everyone is for certain SDGs, their attributes are clearly aligned with specific departments in our university. But even though for the departments provides the largest number of the courses related to a certain SDG in the university, it does not necessarily mean the department is well prepared for that particular SDG, because the significance and the impact of global climate change was not taken into consideration in curriculum design before. And those are the conclusions that I would like to share with every one of you. Thank you again. And I know probably you have a lot of question or opinion or suggestions. Please feel free to contact me. This is the email right here. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.